Volunteers who have to pee really bad.
Alright, I've been drinking. Who was that? Oh, you weren't serious. Never mind. Good.
We forgot to bring the water, so if anybody has any water out there.
We have a volunteer. Cops are okay with that. Alright.
We need a very good picture of the shark.
It's Glenn. Wait, I'm not ready. My hair's falling. Yes, you notice that then the shark cleanses the environment.
Carefully developed camouflage.
It is.
Skillfully developed blending on the bottom of the pool.
And the orange even matches the top of the blend.
It does, it does.
More exciting when I just lay down on the ramp. Oh, wait, you got to drive in. Why not? Just use 17 right here.
Oh, yeah.
Right, I saw it.
Yeah, shouldn't there be some water in the pool?
Doctor, we good? We good?
Well, I am. Back up.
The doctor has deemed it unsafe and foolhardy but doable. But then he's been blinded by science.
That's about one night stand.
Please don't try this at home. TheOneFonz, are you ready? You missed! Wait, I forgot something!
Look at that beautiful bug. Look at it.
Can we get the emergency?
Phil, what do you think? Oh, here.
The Fonz's power is weakened by the lack of women screaming.
What is it? There's not enough vagina?
Power has been weakened by the lack of exposed female breasts.
Say it again, nobody was serious, huh? It's my cue.
TheOneFonz requires total silence, except for the ladies. Who must first?
I want to have your baby!
Who must first have his babies in 9 months? But before that, chant his name. TheOneFonz, come on! I believe.
You're killing me, Paul. Look, I'm out of alcohol, motherfucker.
Everyone's going to be late to dinner.
Science has failed. But luckily, Amazon sent me Plan B.
I'm afraid if Amazon's told us. Oh,
It's like
my.
executing Order 66. Only not as brittle. You're going to use Plan B? Plan B, Wait, I need to zoom in on this one. That's what my mom said last night.
That's a big fish in a small pond.
Yeah.